purpose. The iconic wagon sits untouched, carrying decades of neglect.
The Nomad returns from abandonment for one last chance.
Corrosion is worse than expected in key structural zones.
The foundation shows serious structural decay. The V8 has been silent for years, locked in place.
The cabin shows every mile of its past life.
With the Nomad in the air, the underside tells the real story.
Every fastener is tracked to keep the build honest.
External trim comes off first, piece by piece. Disassembly continues with careful organization. Old fuel systems are opened with care. Cooling components are cleared for engine removal.
The front of the engine bay opens up.
The V8 is nearly ready to come out.
The heart of the Nomad prepares to leave the frame.
After years stuck in place, the V8 comes free.
The teardown can now begin safely.
Early signs of past improper repairs appear. Neglect is visible beneath the surface. The engine has been altered away from original spec.
Each layer comes off to reveal the truth underneath.
Past shortcuts are now undeniable.
Attention shifts to the lower end.
The bottom of the engine is opened.
Metal fragments confirm the engine's troubled past.
The seizure has a clear mechanical cause.
Previous work left critical tolerances compromised. This engine cannot be saved without correction. Original spec components must be sourced.
The search for correct parts begins.
A proper foundation for the rebuild is found.
Clearances are restored to factory intent.
The bottom end is secured correctly.
For the first time, the engine turns freely.
Each piston is rebuilt to factory specification. The rotating assembly comes together. Critical fasteners are tightened with care. Lubrication is restored from the ground up.
Valve timing begins with the correct cam.
The front of the engine is closed.
The V8 regains its shape. Factory specifications are strictly followed.
The valve train begins to reconnect.
Original style components return to their place. Clearances are dialed in by hand.
Airflow is restored the right way.
The rebuilt V8 is nearly complete. Fuel delivery returns in original form.
Lubrication is confirmed before startup. The heart is ready to go back home.
Engine seated.
The V8 meets the frame once again.
The drivetrain is firmly back in place. Fuel supply is safely restored.
Spent gases will flow properly again.
Electrical life returns to the car.
The wiring is verified circuit by circuit. Critical connections are made reliable again.
The cabin is taken back to bare metal.
Hidden corrosion is addressed before recovery.
Comfort is rebuilt from the inside out.
The cabin regains its 1957 character. Details bring the interior back to life.
The body receives structural attention.
Strength is restored to weakened areas.
The repair disappears into the body.
Minor imperfections are carefully corrected. Straight lines return through patient sanding. Paint preparation begins with protection. Fresh primer seals the repaired metal.
Depth and uniformity are carefully layered.
The finish is sealed for shine and protection.
Time and heat lock in the finish.
Final corrections perfect the surface.
The sound confirms the rebuild's success.
The Nomad moves under its own power again. Final inspections confirm a healthy engine.
The V8 settles into its proper rhythm.
Stopping power is verified before driving.
Every surface is prepared for the road.
Everything stays exactly where it should.
Drivetrain responds as it should.
The Nomad finds its rhythm on the road.